Hey, what's up, boxers? This is Zack with Buildbox, and let me show you real quick what we're going to be making in this video. So we're going to be making a secret world entrance, okay? So let's say you have a little platformer game and you're going through your scenes and you want to make it so that there is like a little section where there's a secret world. So you can jump on top and on the side, but you can go underneath and end up in like a coin world, like kind of like Super Mario or something, where you can collect a bunch of coins. And then we're going to make it so that when you collect 20 coins, okay, here's 19. When you collect 20, you get sent back to your world, okay? So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do this right now. All right, so here's the basic setup, okay? So I have a couple scenes here that I'm working with, and I just have like 4 scenes, and you're gonna have however many scenes you want. And here's the deal. I am going to first go up here to the corner, okay, and I'm going to click edit, and there is randomized scenes and aligned scenes. And let me show you real quick randomized scenes first, okay? It's going to say this action will change all of the start and end values of your level selections. Yes. Let's open up the timeline editor and let's take a quick look at what's going on here. And you can see here that all of the scenes are randomized, and so they all have an equal chance of popping up. All right, now let's go up here to the corner and change it to aligned scenes. Okay, so you're going to click OK again, and then now all of the scenes are aligned. But let's say, okay, so number 2, scene 2 is our secret world. Okay, I'm going to move the secret world right about over here or something like that. Probably like right about here. Okay, a little bit later, and then I'm going to make these other scenes be random up until the point where the new world comes in, and then that way it's kind of like thrown into the mix, okay? And you know what, better yet, here's kind of what you want to do. You want to have a certain amount of scenes randomized, and then let's say maybe at one point you want to throw in that secret scene and just have the one scene, okay? Then you can make it so the other scenes are randomized, okay? So aligning scenes over here, up, choosing that up in the corner is really helpful. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is I created a little extra object here, and it's called Slice 5 over here. And basically what I did is I changed the collision shape here in the shape editor. I turned on this this blocking thing. Okay, so let me explain what this does. So you see this little arrow here? Right up here at the top, it's going to block the ability from the character to hit that, okay? So the character will not be able to pass through the end where the circle is, okay? But it will be able to pass through the other directions, okay? So let's say you wanted to, kind of like I showed you in the example, you can hit one side and another side, but if you go back and you go inside, it's a secret world, right? Okay, so here's what you do. I set up 2 of these guys, okay? One of them I have no rotation on, and so the blocking is going to be straight up. Okay, so the top you can be able to stand on, all right? But if you want the other side to be blocked as well, I have another object here just underneath that I turned the rotation to -90 degrees, so it's pointing that way. So when the character comes, it's blocked that way, it's blocked on top, but when it goes the other side and comes back around, it's a secret world entrance, okay? And it's really easy to add in a secret world. You just throw in a menu jump, okay? Here's the menu jump over here, and you just bring that in. And I've got the menu jump hidden underneath those 2 platforms there, okay? And so that's how it's going to jump to another world. Okay, now let me go to my mind map here, and let me show you. So I hooked up the secret world right here. I hooked it up to another world, all right? And this is going to be my secret world. And let me go ahead and just put in secret world here for you, all right? And then I have, now there's multiple ways to set this up, but the way I set it up is I set it up so that you collect 20 coins, and then you get sent back to the other world, all right? But you can do different stuff. You don't have to do 20 coins or have it set up like that. I have a little label here to show you the coins amount, and then I have the game, the event observer. I have it set to event type session coins, and then you collect 20 coins. In the default function, it just goes back to another world, all right? Okay, so that's the setup there. So in this world, I have all these coins, and you're just going to collect these coins here, and then as soon as you collect a certain amount that you want the player to collect, you kick them back over to the other world. So one more time, let me just show you how the setup is, okay? So you're running, you got your character playing, and there's randomized scenes, okay? So like that's a random scene thrown in there, and then here's another random scene thrown in there. And then finally, once you get a certain distance, oh, this is hard. Okay. Yeah, it's a tough scene. I might have to cut that scene out or make it a little bit easier. You know what? I'll make that scene just a little bit easier. And that's in my other world here. So this is one of the other worlds that's being randomized, right? And I think that's a little bit tough for this tutorial. And don't worry, I'll include this BB doc in the description. I'll include a download link so you can see how it works and everything like that. So we did one scene, we did another scene, and then now the secret scene should be coming up here pretty soon after we go a certain amount of distance. Okay, here we go. Now the secret scene's coming up. It's blocked this way, it's blocked on top, and then the character can go underneath and into the secret world. And you collect 20 coins, and you get kicked back out. So that's how you can do kind of like a secret coin world or any secret world that you want, kind of like the game Mario, okay? All right, Boxers, I hope you thought that video was useful, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel. All right, see you guys.
Like and subscribe.